The scriptures reveal the purpose of the words of the Most High. So many do not have the proper understanding of the intent of the words of the Most High. The beast system has indoctrinated the people of the Most High in religion to believe the words of the Most High serve one purpose, that is to make them feel good. If for any reason they feel the opposite emotions when they hear the word, they are to reject the message because such messages are hate speech, and hate is not of the Most High. God is only love, and God loves all people. The beast system encouraged the people to only focus on the promises the Most High made to the righteous. The beast system tells the people to ignore the judgments the Most High reserved for the wicked. If we at times feel various emotions and there are many personality traits that make us who we are, what would make you believe the Most High is only love? Remember, we are made in His image and likeness. Many people fail to understand that the Most High is also wrath. The kingdom of darkness has blinded their mind that many people cannot comprehend the intent of the words of the Most High and His ways. Their visions of the Most High is distorted.